Continuing the trip north, I encountered lots of wind and some familiar friends. The wind down here circles around the bottom of the earth without any large land masses to act as a windbreak. I'm going directly into it all day long. Wind, wind, wind. Got some nice washboard right there. And just ready to start the day. Hopefully make it to Chile. Alright. Hasta la vista. Almost to my first quarter in Chile right now. That's the water station right there. Outside. It's raining a tiny bit, but no wind. It's just turned 8. I'm hoping to get an early start, beat the wind. I'm finally cruising without the wind directly in my face, and it's beautiful. Breaking 20 kilometers an hour for the first time in days. So, just feels great. Wow, that was easy. Gonna have to be really careful and make sure to put this guy out. But I got some nice pools really quickly. Hard-boiled eggs, one of my favorite foods while traveling by biking. If they're putting about 4 times too much mix in there, it finally tastes alright, but still, I think it's the first and the last time I buy instant mixed coffee on this trip. Well, it's around 3 o'clock and the wind's picking up. I'm going down a big hill. I stopped. Spanish each day, and yes, I'm biking around, and this is what I sound like. Un regalo de mi hija. Un regalo para mi hija. Un regalo para mi hija. This puddle. That's my cat. Alright, I don't think I've ever been in such a dark place while biking. The wind is just kind of horrible. I don't know if I'll ever stop. I don't know if I can make it 30 more kilometers, then I'm out of it. So I accidentally bought these La Satina and thought they were cheese because they look like cheese, but actually they're for empanadas. They're just like quick breading. So I'm going to attempt to make some tuna, Parmesan cheese, rice, and veggie empanadas. Kind of deep fry them. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so here's my first empanada. It actually looks pretty decent, more like a dumpling or a pierogi than an actual empanada, but it's awesome. It's really, really good. Yeah. I'm just going to continue making these empanada pierogis and eat them all and fall asleep. So, good night. A lady working here told me that the wind was much worse than usual, and as a result, the penguins were in one big group. They weren't moving around much, but I still managed to catch some neighborhood drama.
Wonderful, but it's ended up turning right into it in like 15 kilometers, so I might as well just enjoy it and then, I don't know, get ready to buckle down.
Don't know where you've been, but I know